it's being recognized. But basically, i-introduce naman kanina yung mga tao na, and of course, I just want to give great recognition to our beloved commander here, Colonel Josue Camarito. Sir, good morning. This is the first time that we meet, you know, with Colonel Rubio last time, and for the rest of you, and also the one who facilitated us, the Colonel Lieutenant. So we can, yung mga pangalan talaga ngayon are very modern na. Most of them are coming from Spain. Yung mga pangalan natin, no? Ako nga Casio, kala nila ako Japanese. The owner of calculator and also Casio-ton. But today is a wonderful day for Adventist Hospital Davao. And here standing before you is my presence here is an indication that we are really partners. Okay na? I hope that this activity that we have done in designing will just be the beginning of more activities in the future. In as much as I have told you at the beginning when we were talking while waiting for our beloved guest here, Atong Commander, that we can even extend this activity going to your own communities. Kung mayroon kayong, di ba, mayroon silang sarili ng mga activities doon na that concerns about senior citizens or what, etc. They can jump into your organizations and that we are ready to accommodate them. Just remind them that yung PhilHealth card is very important, but kung wala, you can seek naman certification coming from the barangays so that all of them will be accommodated. But God is happy to see us around because we are concerned about continuing the healing ministry that the Lord started more than 2,000 years ago. I hope that this collaboration will continue and bring us happy, not only this, our own community that we are serving, but even expanding to other communities that they can see that Adventist Hospital Davao and Philippine Army Region 11 is one heart in doing God's will. Tama ba? The first time that we went there, it was Colonel Rubio and the team who accommodated us, Dr. Castles here, and they are very kind. You can see how sometimes, alam niyo, kung mag-uniform kayo ng ganyan para makuyawan ta, di ba? Kuyawan ta. Sa una, di ba, itong magsika ng civilian pa kuyawan to eh. Army ito, may armas ito, anong gano'n, pero hindi pala, ganyan, no? They are there to protect, to preserve, and have peace and order in the community at the same time. Tell us how the government in general can deliver its services. And this is exactly what the government and private sector's partnership is all about.
Medyo mahina. Good morning to everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Anyway, sabi ko kay Dr. Medina, I am very much happy dahil ako'y isa din anak ng pastor. I am a son of a pastor. Church of God. Si Papa, yun lang, siguro kung nandito lang si Papa, masaya siya. Kaso, nandun na siya sa katabi ng ating Panginoon. At nakikita naman nila na pag we are going. May recognition to Dr. Jonathan T. Casio, sir, the President of the Adventist Hospital, and to Dr. Sarah Casio. I'm happy to see you together again. The last time, doon tayo sa Bangka. And also to Ma'am Grace. Thank you for collaborating with my president. Masaya-masaya kami. And to Dr. Kenneth Tando, Sir, Ma'am Antoinette Angelica Tabuto. Yan. Talagang maging masigasig tayo kasi may discount agad tayo. Hindi pa nga tayo nag-uumpisa. Praise God! Mahina. Praise God! And Ma'am Grace Penalty. Tama. Inulit ko na. Sir Jimmy Sabandal. Our chaplain. Pastor. Ma'am Shirley Di Rasa, Quality Manager. Ma'am Ivy Chabet Robles. Our Human Resource Officer. Then, Ma'am Lowen Marjorie. Si Mario, Nursing Director. And also to my personnel with me is my Executive Officer, Colonel Noli Vicanacero. At the same time, he's also in charge of Davao de Oro. The entire Davao de Oro, he is my CBC Director. Pwede natin i-expand kung ano meron tayo doon sa Davao de Oro. Also with me is Colonel Leandro Robio. Ito, isa sa mga organizer o initiator. Ano ba tawag doon? With the President
Triggerman.
Milito sa tataka kayo, si Sir Secretary is a former PNP member of the Philippine National Police. Nung mag-retire siya, he opted to join the Philippine Army. And also with